With over 600 restaurants in and around Asheville, there's always some amazing and creative food being served up. And here are just some of the best bites that you'll find in this eclectic mountain town. Let's start in downtown at Curate, a multiple James Beard nominee that serves traditional Spanish tapas with modern flair. The best bite is the Gambas Al Ajillo, sautéed garlic with jumbo shrimp and chilies, served with the delicious juice from the pan. For a more straight-up southern flair, head to Rocky's Chicken Shack, where their signature flavors are part of every dish. The best bite here has to be the chicken and waffles. Tender, juicy chicken deep fried to crispy perfection with spice painted on, and a fresh waffle with real maple syrup. Rhubarb also celebrates the flavors of the South, paying particular attention to what's local and in season. Their best bite? Sugar Plum Glaze Duck Confit. Seared duck finished off in a wood fire oven, served on a bed of Swiss chard and garnished with wet walnuts. This is the best duck in Asheville. Cool everything off at the Hop. This local fave serves the best ice cream in town and features some adventurous flavors like the very popular vegan blueberry kale. Friday nights feature ice cream flights so you can taste all the flavors of their creativity. Vegan dishes with a fine dining flair is what's being served at the aptly named Plant. Try their maitake mushrooms. Lightly seared in olive oil and served with shaved radish, cauliflower oyster pearl, and hazels and basils on top. And if delicious home cooking is your thing, look no further than Cecilia's Kitchen. Cooking since the age of 12, her passion for food is evident in every dish. You have got to try the heavenly sweet crepe named Almost Heaven. Sliced bananas and chopped walnuts with chocolate syrup, then topped with powdered sugar, whipped cream, and even more chocolate. When traveling through Asheville, make sure to bring your appetite. You'll definitely leave happy.